Welcome to Zape Learning app.
Hello, my little math stars. Today, we're going to learn something super fun, addition. Addition means putting things together to find out how many we have in total. Let's explore how it works step by step. Imagine you have one apple, and your friend gives you one more. Now you have 2 apples. When we add, we use the plus sign. We also use the equal sign to show the answer. Let's try with toys. You have 2 teddy bears and then you get one more. Now you have 3 teddy bears. So we say, 2 plus 1 equals 3. When we add, we can use a trick called counting on. Start with the bigger number, and then count up. If you have 3 blocks, and add 2 more, just say, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 plus 2 equals 5. We can also add using a number line. Let's add 2 plus 4. Start at 2, then jump 4 steps. 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Pictures help us see the answer. Look at these cupcakes. There are 3 chocolate and 2 strawberry. Altogether, how many cupcakes? Yes. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Great job, little learners. Let's remember. Addition means putting numbers together. We use the plus sign and equal sign. You can add using toys, pictures, fingers, or a number line. Keep practicing. You're becoming an addition superstar.
Smarter learning starts today. Download and subscribe to Zape Learning app now.